Good morning, children. In lesson 2, till now we have studied about whole numbers, number line representation of addition of whole numbers, subtraction of whole numbers, and multiplication of whole numbers. So, today we will start properties of whole numbers. Properties of whole numbers, okay, in which we will first know what are operations of whole numbers. So let us start. Operation of whole numbers. An operation on two numbers is a way of dealing with the numbers to obtain a result. I am again reading. An operation on two numbers is a way of dealing with the numbers to obtain a result. There are four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the operations. We do plus minus, 4 plus 2, 4 minus 2, 4 into 2, and 4 divided 2. So what we are doing with number 4 and 2? We are doing operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. Now here we will read about properties of operations of whole numbers. So we are going to start first properties of addition. First, closure property. What is closure property? The sum of two whole numbers is a whole number. When two whole numbers are added, the answer is also a whole number. So if a and b are two whole numbers, so a plus b is equals to c, where c is also a whole number. For example, 2 plus 3, 2 and 3 are whole numbers, and when we add it, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, where 5 is also a whole number. Similarly, 0 plus 2, 0 is also a whole number, 2 is also a whole number, and when we add it, we get 2, which is again a whole number. Same, 7 plus 0, 7 is also a whole number, 0 is also a whole number, and when we add these two whole numbers, what we get? 7, which is again a whole number. So we can say the sum of two whole numbers is a whole number. This is a closure property. Again, next property, commutative property. If the order of numbers which are added is changed, it will not affect the sum. Order of numbers, जैसे हमने यहाँ लिखा a plus b, a is written first and then b is written. If I change the order, I write b in first place and a in second place, the sum will not change. For example, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Similarly, 3 plus 2 will be also equal to 5. 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. Similarly, 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. Okay. So, commutative property, हम जिस भी तरीके से लिखे, the sum will be same. Next, associative property. The sum of any three whole numbers remains same if we change the grouping. Similar to commutative property में दो whole numbers थे. Here we are using three whole numbers. If we change the grouping, the sum will not change. If a, b and c are three whole numbers, so a plus b together plus c is equals to a plus b plus c together. For example, 2 plus 3 plus 5, 2 plus 3 plus 5, 8, 2 plus 8, 10. Again, if we add 2 and 3 first, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. We are watching that in both the cases, answer is same. So we can say 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equals to 2 plus 3 plus 5. Okay. So this is your associative property. Next property, identity for addition. If we add any number to 0, it will result in same number. हम किसी भी नंबर को यदि 0 से ऐड करेंगे तो हमें सेम नंबर मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 15 + 0 इज इक्वल्स टू 15, और वी कैन से 0 + 25 इज इक्वल्स टू 25. एनी नंबर 0 to infinity, हम किसी भी नंबर को यदि 0 से ऐड करते हैं, वी विल गेट द सेम आंसर. So 0 is called the additive identity of whole numbers. Children, you should learn this by heart, because many times this question comes, which is additive identity of whole numbers. So your answer should be 0. इसलिए मैंने इसको highlight किया है, and you have to learn this by heart. 0 is called additive identity of whole numbers. Okay. So these four are the properties of addition: closure property, commutative property, associative property, and identity for addition. Okay, now we are moving to property of subtraction. So again we will start from closure property. We can understand this with the help of examples. इसके लिए, इसको समझने के लिए हम एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं. 2 - 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 1 होल नंबर है. 8 - 8 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 होल नंबर. बट 5 - 7 इज इक्वल्स टू -2. इज इट अ होल नंबर? -2 होल नंबर होगा? नो, इट इज़ नॉट अ होल नंबर. सो वी कैन से दैट क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल इन सब्ट्रैक्शन. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमें हर केस में होल नंबर ही मिले, सब्ट्रैक्शन में स्पेशली. सो वी कैन से दैट क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी इज़ नॉट एप्लीकेबल इन सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके. नेक्स्ट, कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट एप्लीकेबल. वाई? लेट अस सी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 - 3 इज इक्वल्स टू -1. -1 इज नॉट अ होल नंबर. 3 - 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. इज -1 इक्वल टू 1? -1 1 के बराबर होगा? नहीं. सो वी कैन से 2 - 3 इज नॉट इक्वल टू 3 - 2. सो a - b इज नॉट इक्वल टू b - a. दैट मीन्स for subtraction, closure property is also not applicable and commutative property is also not applicable. Similarly, associative property. जब कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है एप्लीकेबल, तो हम ये जान सकते हैं कि एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी इज़ नॉट ऑल्सो नॉट एप्लीकेबल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 - 2 ब्रैकेट -1. 5 - 2 क्या हो गया? 3. नाउ 3 - 1 2. अगेन 5 - 2 - 1. नाउ 2 - 1 1. 5 - 1 4. Are these equal? No, they are different. So we can say 5 - 2 - 1 is not equal to 5 - 2 - 1, or a - b - c is not equal to a - b - c. Okay, so we can easily see that in addition, closure, commutative and associative property was applicable, but in subtraction, closure, commutative and associative property is not applicable. Addition में applicable है, but subtraction में applicable नहीं है. Now, fourth property for subtraction. If 0 is subtracted from a whole number, then the result is number itself. Same as addition. यदि हम 0 में कुछ add करते हैं तो हमें same number मिलेगा. 5 + 0 5. उसी तरीके से हम यदि 0 को किसी नंबर से माइनस करते हैं तो हमें सेम नंबर मिलेगा. इफ़ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 0 फ्रॉम एनी नंबर, फ्रॉम मतलब किसी नंबर से हम 0 को माइनस कर रहे हैं. 5 - 0 5. 17 - 0 17. बट इफ़ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट एनी होल नंबर फ्रॉम 0, बट यदि हम किसी नंबर को 0 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, देन द रिजल्ट इज़ नॉट होल नंबर. 0 - 5 -5, 0 - 17 -17, and we know -5 and -17 is not whole number. Okay. Fifth, if A, B, C are whole numbers, then we can write A minus B is equals to C, then A is equals to C plus B. ये कैसे हो गया? सी यहाँ माइनस बी है, तो माइनस बी को यदि हम दूसरे साइड ले आएंगे तो इट विल बिकम प्लस बी. तो हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं that A is equals to C plus B. For example, 18 minus 7, 11. ठीक है. If we add 11 to 7, 11 plus 7, then it will become again 18. 11 minus 3, 8. Again, if 3 comes here, so 8 plus 3, 11 again. So see, we can write like this: A minus B is equals to C. So A is equals to C plus B. So children, these are the properties of subtraction. Okay, read it carefully. Try to understand it again. If you are having any problem, see video again and again. And if still is there any doubt, then you can message me. I will revise this properties in my next video also. Okay, so thank you for today.